Hi everyone and welcome in this new Nalios tutorial regarding the discount and loyalty program in Odoo. This is the second video of our series on this topic, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use the conditional rules on your program, on your loyalty and discount program. So to do so, we need to go once again to our discount and loyalty menu, which you can access through the sales app or the point of sale app. And when you enter into your program, you have the possibility, when you scroll down, to select and to add a rule on the program. So first of all, you need to know that those rules are not mandatory, as you can see on my coupons program. So this is something that you need to be aware of. If you would like to add a new rule to your program, you just have to click on the button and then this screen appear. This is the minimal configuration that you will find in every program, so that means that those fields are the one that you will find in basically every program that you can have into Odoo. Some might have more fields, more specific fields, but this one is the most classical one. So you've got different possibilities here and different options to select. First of all, the first condition that you can have is a condition depending on the quantity of product that you have. So let's imagine that you would like to activate this program only if the order contains something like 5 products or more. And you also have the possibility to trigger this program when the amount of the order is reaching a certain level. And in this case, let's imagine that I would like to activate this program only when the order is reaching 100 euros, for example, and you have the possibility to select with tax or without any tax in it. You then have the possibility to put a filter on which product you would like this program to work and to act. In this case, as you can see, I have no product domain in this program, which means that the program will work on and will apply on every product that I have in my database. But if I want to add a filter to it, I have the possibility to click on edit domain here, and then I can add several rules to the domain which are going to work as filters on the product. I also have the possibility to select one product only on which the program will work. I can select another one also, so I can put as many products as I want in this field. I can also use the product categories that I have on my database to put a filter on the product on which the program will apply. And I also have the possibility to select a product tag that I put on the product template itself. And then you have the possibility to select a description just here also. So that's for the first type, and now we are going to go through every type to show you how you can set up this different rule and how they work. So basically here I am on my loyalty card, and this one contains some specific field, as you will see. In this case, what I wanted was my program to apply when the amount of the order is reaching 25 euros, tax included. Basically, this will work on every product of my database. And what I want Odoo to do is to grant 1 point per euro spent. So I have different possibility. I can make 1 point per order. I can make 1 point per euro spent, which is the most common. And also I can make 1 point per unit paid. So let's imagine that my order is containing 5 products. 1 unit paid would be 1 product, so my order will grant 5 points to my customer. So that's one type of conditional rule that you would want to set up. Let's go to the next one, and in this case we've got some other conditional rules, and here I have a minimum quantity which is set and not a minimum amount. And here the conditional rules is for the minimum quantity of 5 products, which means that my program will apply only on order containing 5 products. And here I also specify which product it is. And basically my program will only apply when 5 chair is contained on the order. And that's the only case where the program will apply. And here, as you can see, we grant 1 point per order here. Let's go to the next one, and in this case that's for the discount code, which is mostly used on website. And so I have the possibility to generate here the discount code. So I have the possibility to put custom one also, and I have also the possibility to grant 1 point per order when you use this discount code. And this is related to the reward, because as you can see, I need 1 point to have the 10% discount, and the code gave me 1 point. But we will see the reward in the next video. In the next one, we also have a minimum quantity, which is set. We grant 1 credit per unit paid in this case, and as you can see, there is a product mentioned here in the field, and this program will only work on the washing powder. Why do we choose per unit paid here? Because I would like to give 1 washing powder free in exchange of 2 washing powder bought, and so I give 1 point per unit paid because I pay 2 to get 3 product. And the last one here, we put a minimum amount on the order, which is 100 euros, to be able to get the reward, which will be 1 point of reduction per order, and then the reward is giving you 15% discount on the order in exchange of 1 point of reduction. So basically that's about the conditional rules. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. And in the next video, we are going to see how we can set up the reward on the program. Thanks, and see you next time.